Welcome everyone to another episode of Unyielding Spirits, where we delve into the extraordinary stories of individuals who transformed adversity into triumph through unwavering resilience. Today, we explore the profound and inspiring journey of those who faced life's storms head-on and emerged stronger than ever. The Darkest Hour. Our first tale takes us to the life of Sarah, a remarkable woman who battled through the darkest hour of her life. Sarah's life was like a serene river, flowing smoothly until the unexpected storm hit. At the tender age of 25, she received a diagnosis that echoed like thunder through her world. She had a life-altering illness that threatened to change the course of her existence. The news struck Sarah like a tidal wave, drowning her in fear and uncertainty. The once clear path ahead was now shrouded in an ominous fog of the unknown. The whispers of doubt echoed in her mind, threatening to erode the very foundations of her resilience. Yet in the midst of this tempest, Sarah found a strength within herself that she never knew existed. It was a quiet resolve that grew from the depths of her being, a choice to face the storm head-on, to confront the darkness that threatened to consume her. Her days became a series of battles, waged not only in hospitals and clinics, but within the fortress of her own spirit. Each medical report was a skirmish, every treatment a strategic move in the war against the illness that sought to define her. The physical pain was immense, but the mental and emotional toll proved to be an even fiercer adversary. Amidst the tubes and machines, Sarah's room became a sanctuary of resilience. She adorned the sterile walls with photographs capturing moments of joy, reminders of a life well lived. The faces of loved ones stared back at her, injecting warmth and courage into the sterile environment. Friends and family rallied around her, offering unwavering support. Their words were not always profound, but their presence spoke volumes. In the darkest hours of the night, when doubt crept in like a shadow, Sarah clung to the voices that whispered, "You are not alone." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The journey was arduous, marked by setbacks and small victories. Yet, in every setback, Sarah found a lesson, and in every victory she discovered the resilience that had taken root within her. As the seasons changed, so did Sarah. The illness that once defined her existence became just a chapter in her story. Her once frail body now stood tall, not just as a survivor, but as a beacon of hope for others navigating their own storms. Sarah's darkest hour became the canvas on which she painted a masterpiece of resilience. Her choice to stand tall, to confront adversity with unwavering determination, transformed her journey into an inspiration for others. The storm that threatened to drown her became the crucible in which her resilience was forged. And so, as we reflect on Sarah's story, we are reminded that even in the darkest hour, the power to illuminate our path lies within. It's a choice, one that Sarah made with grace and courage. In her triumph over adversity, she teaches us that indeed, the human spirit is a force that can shine brightest when faced with the deepest darkness. Overcoming obstacles. Next, we meet James, a man whose dreams were shattered by a sudden financial crisis. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Metropolis, there lived a man named James. He was an ambitious entrepreneur with dreams that stretched higher than the skyscrapers surrounding his small office. Life had been good to James, and his business was thriving until one day when an unexpected financial storm hit. A market crash, unforeseen debts, and a cascade of unfortunate events left James standing in the wreckage of what was once his empire. The dream that he had meticulously built now crumbled around him. Bankruptcy cast its long, looming shadow over his life, threatening to engulf him in a darkness he had never known. At this crossroads of despair, James faced a choice that would define not only his financial future, but the very essence of his character. Would he succumb to the weight of failure or rise from the ashes with newfound strength? James, a man of unwavering determination, chose the latter. The initial shock and devastation were palpable, but within him stirred a resilience that he never knew existed. Instead of dwelling on the past, he focused on rebuilding his life from the ground up. He took odd jobs to make ends meet, working day and night, tirelessly chipping away at the mountain of debt that loomed over him. Friends and family, initially surprised by his resilience, soon became witnesses to an incredible transformation. James wasn't just recovering, he was evolving. The path to recovery was far from smooth. There were nights when the weight of his circumstances felt insurmountable, but James pressed on. Each setback became a stepping stone, a lesson etched into the fabric of his journey. He embraced the struggles, viewing them not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. As the months turned into years, James not only cleared his debts, but also started a new venture. This time, however, his approach was different. He combined his newfound wisdom with the resilience forged in the fires of adversity. The business flourished, not just financially, but also emotionally and spiritually. People began to notice James's remarkable turnaround. He became a symbol of hope in the community, proof that even in the face of financial ruin, one could rise again. His story inspired others facing similar challenges to confront their own adversities with courage and resilience. James, once shattered by financial crisis, had transformed into a phoenix, rising from the ashes of his past. His journey was a testament to the extraordinary power of resilience, a power that resides within us all, waiting to be discovered when faced with life's inevitable trials. It was tough, no doubt, but every setback was a setup for a comeback. The Phoenix rises. Our final story introduces us to Maya, who faced a series of personal tragedies that left her emotionally shattered. Maya's life was once a symphony of joy, with each note resonating the promise of a bright and fulfilling future. However, fate had other plans, and Maya's world came crashing down when a series of personal tragedies unfolded, leaving her emotionally shattered. The first blow struck when Maya lost her job, a position she had dedicated years to building. The abrupt termination sent shockwaves through her life, stripping away financial stability and casting a looming shadow of uncertainty. As Maya grappled with this sudden change, another devastating loss struck: the passing of her beloved mother, her pillar of strength. Bereaved and broken, Maya found herself navigating the storm of grief and loss. The weight of sorrow pressed upon her, threatening to extinguish the light within. In the solitude of her tears, however, Maya discovered an unexpected wellspring of strength, a resilience that had been dormant, waiting for the right moment to awaken. With each passing day, Maya confronted her pain head-on. She immersed herself in the memories of her mother, drawing inspiration from the indomitable spirit that had defined her. Maya realized that just like the mythical phoenix, she had the power to rise from the ashes of despair. It was not about denying the pain, but about using it as fuel for transformation. Maya sought solace in her passions. Writing became her therapy, and she poured her emotions onto pages, creating a narrative of healing and empowerment. The once broken woman began to rebuild herself, piece by piece, using the fragments of her past to craft a stronger, more resilient version of herself. Friends and family watched in awe as Maya underwent this metamorphosis. Her journey became an inspiration to those who knew her, a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure and triumph. Maya's story spread beyond her immediate circle, touching the hearts of strangers who resonated with the universal theme of overcoming adversity. Through the grief and tears, Maya embraced the pain as an integral part of her journey. It was not a detour, but a crucial chapter that shaped her resilience. Like a phoenix soaring from the ashes, Maya rose to new heights, not untouched by the scars of her past, but adorned with the strength and wisdom gained from overcoming it. Maya's story is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there exists a spark within each of us, a spark that can ignite the flames of resilience and guide us through the most profound adversities. As Maya stands today, a living testament to the power of the human spirit, she embodies the essence of the phoenix, rising, reborn, and ready to embrace the boundless possibilities of a new dawn. Conclusion. In the tapestry of life, adversity is the thread that binds us all. The stories of Sarah, James, and Maya are a testament to the indomitable human spirit, a spirit that can weather any storm and emerge with newfound strength. As we navigate our own challenges, let us remember the power of resilience, the force that turns trials into triumphs and setbacks into stepping stones toward greatness. Thank you for joining us on this journey of resilience. If you found inspiration in these stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, Let's spread the message that no matter how tough the road may seem, the power to rise lies within each of us. Until next time, stay resilient.